There's this food truck, well, ice cream truck, in Myrtle Beach that people have been raving about, and it's Mr. Softee. This isn't something unique specifically to Myrtle Beach, but it is something that people are going crazy over to the point where they actually follow this truck around to get the Mr. Softee ice cream. You can see it's just soft serve, cone, sundae. You're not going to get any packaged ice cream here. This is soft serve out of a machine. Now, you can use this app. There you go, Food Moves. And in this app, it'll give you the GPS coordinates of the food truck. It's a great app for food trucks in general, but this is the app that they kind of sponsor and recommend you use.
I don't know if I want red or if I want the. I'm gonna probably get some.
The ice cream itself was very good, very refreshing. I could see on a hot day that this would seem like the greatest ice cream in the world. A lot better than your prepackaged ice creams you typically get in an ice cream truck. I will say the app, Food Moves, was very easy to use, very easy to follow. I think it's an app I'm going to keep using for this area to keep track of food trucks for future reference. So if you're in the Myrtle Beach area, you see this truck driving around, I recommend wave it down, get yourself a cone. You won't be disappointed.